Hi, I'm Brian. I'm a tool and die maker with KI in Green Bay. KI builds office furniture for schools and like chairs and tables. I build fixtures and components to make the chairs and produce the parts. I repair dies, and we also make the machines to make the furniture. I'll usually come in the morning and make sure everything's running. I'll talk to the shift previous to mine, and they'll let me know if any machines are down. So if any machines are down, that's the first object, is to basically get all the machines up and running. After everything's running, I'll have a list of projects, and I'll go from the list of what needs to be done the soonest and start working on that.
I'm going to take this piece, bring it over to the Haas, which is our CNC milling machine, and actually bore out the inside circle. It's got to go open to 1 inch because that's what the print calls for. Then I'm going to turn the outside to 3 inches. So after this is all done, it'll look just like this piece here.
I started in high school. I was actually in a shop class, and my instructor had told me about the youth apprenticeship program. And I applied. KI offered me a job, so I took a 2-year youth apprenticeship here. After I was done with the apprenticeship here, they offered me a full-time job, and I ended up going into the regular apprenticeship, which was a 4-year program, where I'd go to school 1 day every other week, and then I'd learn on the job. So I worked here for those 4 years, and afterwards I became a journeyman machinist. And I also took some classes out at NWTC and got an associate's in mechanical design. Yeah, we deal with technology all the time. There's always new tooling that's coming out that makes our life easier or more efficient or safer. That's a big thing. Like the CNC mill, we deal with that, which is a year old right now, so it's new to us. And we have the software that actually writes programs, which is SurfCam, and we're also starting to learn Creo 3D, which is a little complicated, but figuring it out. KI is a good place to work because you have a large group of people, and it's very diverse as far as having different personalities. When I was coming through, there's pretty much everyone in the shop is a mentor at some point, because there's so much to learn. You can't know it all. You look at manufacturing, it's kind of nice because you go in and you can actually see stuff's happening, as far as whether you're making parts to build fixtures to make chairs, or even if you're just making chairs. It's kind of nice to actually be able to physically do stuff and actually see things get built. I learn new stuff every day. I like the fact that you come in and you can actually make things and actually visibly see what you're making, and see that you're coming in and you start the day and there's nothing. At the end of the day, you have actual parts you can put in your hands and see how they work and assemble things.